You're watching how Leap. Let's provide a reality check on texting someone who blocked you on iMessage. The honest answer is that you cannot send a message to someone who has blocked you through iMessage. If you are blocked, your iMessages will not show a delivered status and will remain blue. They simply will not go through. Trying to text from a different phone number or Apple ID may deliver the message, but this could be considered harassment. Instead of trying to circumvent a block, consider why you were blocked and respect the other person's decision. If you believe it was a mistake or you need to communicate urgently for a legitimate reason, try contacting them through a different platform like email, a social media message, or a mutual friend. If the situation is an emergency, contact authorities, not the person who blocked you. The best course of action is often to give the person space. They may unblock you in the future if they choose. Attempting to force contact can make the situation worse. There is no technical workaround provided by Apple because blocking is a privacy feature. Focus on moving forward respectfully. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.